Welcome to our channel. This video is going to be an introduction to our channel and what we plan to do with the channel. If you're new to our channel, I'd like to say thank you and welcome. If you got to our channel from one of our other two channels, I'd like to first of all say thank you for watching that video and thanks for taking the time to click over and see what this channel is going to be about. If you got a new camera for Christmas and you're excited and you want to learn more about photography, then I think you found the right channel. What we're going to be doing on this channel is we're going to be teaching you the basics. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself real quick. My name is Dale. I've ran Frazier Photography for a long time, and it's a business that I started back in Oklahoma. Why I'm telling you this is because what we're going to do with this channel is we're going to teach you how to run your camera. If you have an interest in creating your own photography business, then you're in luck, because we're going to teach you stuff that we've learned over the past 25, 30 years of running a photography business. I shot my first wedding using film and film cameras. That's how long ago it was when I started photography. I started out probably in the same position that you're in right now. I had one camera, a couple of decent lenses, and I started promoting myself. And the way that I did that was I just went out and I shot and shot and shot. It was very expensive to learn how to shoot photography back in the film days, because not only did you have to buy film, you had to pay for the processing, and then you had that lag between a week or two as whether or not you even got the shot. That's one of the great things about digital cameras and how far they've come. I switched over to digital cameras back in 2006. I started with a Canon Rebel XT. And as funny as that may sound, guys, I shot some of the best shots with using that camera with just a kit lens. So what I'm going to tell you and teach you, and the whole goal of this channel, is I'm going to help others get the confidence that they need to go out and start a photography business. Maybe you don't want to do this full time. Maybe you want to do this as something that you could make some money on the side with. Who couldn't use some extra money, especially if you factor in the fact it's something that you already enjoy doing. I'm going to help you try to find clients. I'm going to teach you ways to build a website. I'm going to teach you ways to get your business up and running. If you have no interest in running your own photography business, but maybe you've got an Etsy store or something like that, you're in luck, because we're going to teach you the basics of how to run your camera, how to take photographs that will sell, and help you market your Etsy business. For example, we've had an Etsy business for over 7 years now. It is, in my mind, successful. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that you're going to make thousands of dollars a week, because I think that is a whole different deal. And if you're looking for a job like that, you're probably not on my channel anyways. I don't want to use the word professional photographer. Very often, a lot of times, what ends up happening is people will take that and it just has a different connotation to it. What I'm going to tell you is I'm a normal, everyday guy just like you. I was working a full-time job. I've got a strong interest in wildlife. I love wildlife photography. If you guys have looked around at some of the lenses for the wildlife photography, it's super, super expensive. And what I'm going to teach you is how I was able to use my camera and the equipment that I already had, build up a business using that equipment, and then let the business pay to upgrade. Each year I would upgrade, whether it be a new camera body, a new lens, and we're going to go through a whole gamut of things. When I was in Taekwondo, my instructor always told me, he said, hey, you know, we learn best from our mistakes. Guys, I've been doing this a long time. I've got a lot of mistakes to share with you. And again, I'm putting this channel together to help others. I've talked about it briefly on a couple of other my channels, on talking about doing photography tips or video tips, and I had a really good response. The reason that we're creating this channel is because I know from having those other channels, YouTube does better if you have more of a single idea or goal in mind. So we're creating this channel, and it's going to be nothing but photography. We're going to be doing photography lessons with free PDF downloads that you can get off of our website. We're going to be doing photography tips, and I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of mistakes that I've made over the years and how maybe I can help you save money. So if photography is something that you're extremely interested in, and it sounds like you're in the right spot. I'm wrapping up, finishing up, building our website, and I'm rebuilt this website specifically to help our YouTube followers. I've had photography websites in the past, and this one here, I'm going to be able to offer the PDFs to you. You can go over there, click on the link, and download them for free. If you know somebody else with a new camera, be sure to share this video with them. We're going to be uploading a video once a week, and that video, like I said, we're at the very beginning of this, we're going to be starting out with Photo 101, the basics of running your camera, and then we're going to keep on building on that. I figure the best way to start a YouTube channel in my mind to help others with photography is to go all the way back to the basics to begin with. Let's get it all started. Again, guys, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of the things that you're wanting to learn about your camera? This is all new. We always read our comments from everybody. If you know somebody who's interested in photography, maybe they can't afford to go to some of the colleges or something like that, send them over here, guys, because I'm going to be teaching you some of the stuff that comes straight out of when I was working on my bachelor's in photography at Oklahoma City University. That college cost me $600 a credit hour. I couldn't justify finishing up there, but I can justify teaching you a lot of the things that I've learned between professional schooling and schooling of hard knocks, which is where I learned a lot of my photography. I'm just a normal everyday guy with a passion for photography that wants to share it with you so that you too can either upgrade your equipment, maybe take better photos for the business that you already have. One of the things that we have recently added to our little photography arsenal is drones. We'll be covering some of that as well. What I'd like for you to do, if you're interested at all in drone photography, I'm going to put a link right up, actually over here. I'm going to put a link right over here that will go to a video that we recently made on a property that was for sale. After we posted that video, there was a contract on it within 4 days. Guys, the things I'm going to teach you works. The things that I want to teach you are proven, they work. We're just going to learn together, have fun, share, and explore photography. And it's just going to be a lot of fun learning together. So again, guys, if it sounds like something you're interested in, click the subscribe button. It's free, ain't going to cost you nothing. If you want to go over and check out some of the stuff that we've already got prepared for this year on our photography website, it's DaleFrazierPhotography.net. We've run into a small issue with the DaleFrazierPhotography.com, which has been my registered name for a multitude of years. Again, eventually the website will be DaleFrazierPhotography.com, but for the time being it's DaleFrazierPhotography.net, and that's just a glitch in the system, and it'll be something else I can teach you so that mistake doesn't happen to you when you get ready to start your business. Again, guys, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes. Please share this video with anybody that you know that may be wanting to learn how to use their camera. Maybe they want to break into the photography business and they don't have the funds necessary to go to a college or a university, or even some of the online schools that you're going to see that anywhere from $100 to $1,000. Send them over here. Let's learn together. Let's go out and create and have fun. Again, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes, and let's go shoot some stuff. Number one, we don't want to leave anybody behind, so we're going to start this channel out by going all the way back to the basics. We're going to teach you about the buttons on your we're going to teach you how to run your camera and run it like a pro. We're going to teach you pro secrets, we're going to teach you pro tips, and we're going to teach you how to have the confidence that you need to go out, start your own photography business, something that you're already passionate about, or you wouldn't have even clicked on this video, and we're just going to have a lot of fun together. Again, this is going to be fun. It's going to be something that I enjoy. It's something that I'm passionate about. I love helping others, and I couldn't think of a better way to do it than to start out the new year with a new channel, teaching others some of the passions that I have, whether it be portrait photography or outdoor photography. You take your pick. But at the end of the day, the one thing I love to do is capture beauty. And we'd like to bring you along with us. We're going to take you behind the scenes on photo shoots. We're going to teach you so much stuff. It's just going to be a blast learning together.